Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with how many coins are in Dan's ball. Well, they're slightly out of the ball at the moment. Still no one has guessed correctly. Again, I gave you a few extra days over the weekend as there was my big run. And again, wouldn't have had time to get your guesses checked, etc. They've all been checked now. First of all, though, we'll go to the prize pool and another coin goes in there. We're giving away a lovely United States of America $1. Adding to the 250p's already in there, the Atlantic Salmon. We've got the Jemima Puddock Duck, a Commonwealth Games £2, and we've also got the Z for Zebra Crossing. The guesses are all on the screen now. Feel free to pause it for a quick moment. And the answer is somewhere between 600 and 1,300. Well, it could be 1,299 as 1,300 is already taken. A lot of you seem to be going into those 1,200s. That could well be the place to be. A lot of you guessing there. We'll have to wait and see tomorrow after the guesses if anyone has managed to guess it correctly. I'll give you a quick second at the end of the video to get your guesses in. Again, we are looking for the individual coins in the pile, not the overall value. And again, just one guess per day. If you do a couple of guesses, I will just take your first one. Guesses back on the screen. Again, feel free to pause it. Maybe we could get a winner over the next 24 hours. Again, thank you all so much for the support as always on the channel, in life in general. You guys are all amazing. And fingers crossed, today is the day that you guess it correct. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.